Lexus built an EV with a fake manual transmission. I saw some clips of this floating around. The company put it in a UX crossover, not exactly an enthusiast favorite. Well, maybe that doesn't matter if they're just strictly doing testing right now. So this is apparently an EV. And look at this. We're changing gears, going round the turn, around the bend.
Uh-huh.
And we're doing it in a traditional way. Like, I was curious if it was going to be paddle shifters or some electronic equivalent.
Paddle shifting it's more futuristic, right?
Well,
but I guess people still like the stick.
The people like the stick.
Yeah.
They want to drive stick.
I don't mind it.
Manual transmission is almost gone, even if you ignore that manual transmission cars account for less than 2% of the auto market today. Wow, less than 2. It's smaller than I would have thought even. But I guess it's not like manufacturers are making it all that accessible. And certainly as this move towards electrification continues to accelerate, that number has the potential to go even lower. The company has spent the last couple of days showing European journalists a special version of a Lexus UX 300e, small electric crossover not sold in the U.S. The driver can shift between different gears when they get to the far end of the fake tachometer, and if they blow a shift, can even stall the electric car. Oh, man. That's legit. Electric vehicles rarely have more than 1 or 2 forward gears, so it seems unlikely that this is going to be a useful technology for future mainstream EVs. But Lexus says it is developing the concept to make more engaging EVs and may actually use the system in a production if the development work is promising. I don't think so.
Especially for racing.
I'm just going to say this is not happening.
Okay.
This is just a fun experiment, a consumer vehicle. It's not. I just can't see it. But imagine like efficiency, and there's so many other considerations and more important things. If it's already only 2% of the market, imagine putting all this effort, all these extra pieces.
Yeah, manufacturing, supply
for 2% of the market. It's hard for me to imagine. I think it's cool and it's fun. I'm just saying I don't imagine you're going to see this on an upcoming vehicle.
I hear you. It's good effort. At least they tried.
Well, and you know, some sort of like weird niche upgrade. It's tough. It's tough. And it's unfortunate because it is in the automotive realm. It's kind of as far as enthusiasts are concerned, it's a thing that people don't want to lose. But unfortunately, I think it's going to be those that are willing to maintain and keep around classic older vehicles that are going to continue to enjoy a manual transmission for the most part. Although you could have some version of it. Yeah, I just don't think it's going to look. I just don't think it's going to look like that.
I agree.